Ramsholt is a small village and a civil parish within the East Suffolk district. The parish church of All Saints is one of 38 existing round tower churches in Suffolk. It's a Grade 2 listed building. Some people describe this church as ancient. A chart of 1287 apparently shows the church as a C mark, and in earlier Saxon times, it may have even been used as a watchtower against Viking invaders. After all, the ship burial of an Anglo-Saxon king is just up the road at Sutton Hoo. Much of the Norman church remains, though. The windows are broadly medieval. The churchyard was the setting of a 1999 TV adaptation of The Great Expectations by Charles Dickens. In 1346, Edward III's fleet was moored at the mouth of the estuary 4 miles away. Today, there is simply just the church and a pub. The pub has famously been in a film called Yesterday. I don't know how well you can hear me because of the wind. Me and Sam are at Ramsholt Church. He's wanted to take me here forever.
It's a good place.
Oh, do you know when it was made? Like off the top of your head.
I think 1200s? 1100s?
There you go, so 12 or 1100s. It is a very old church, so let's go in and have a look. So there are Commonwealth War graves here as well, but it's more like a memorial, Sam said. So these are like the ones here.
It's that one actually.
Oh, it's that one?
That one.
It's this one. So there you go. And I'm here with my brother as well. Look at him. Got all that muscle in that top.
I know, bulging.
Bulging. But do you like it? I haven't.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. I like the circle top. So, in case you didn't hear that, I'll just repeat that from what Sam said. It's a Norman style church. That circular part, or just church in general, is very common in East Anglia, but outside of East Anglia it's not common at all. Like, it's very rare. Yes, history. But it's quite a nice area. Is it open as well? We can still go in and have a look. We'll have a look. I'll see if I can hold my camera up to the window and get a look in, because apparently the porch is open but the rest of the church isn't today, probably because of COVID. But also, whilst we're going here, look at this view you get. Is that the River Orwell, or part of the River Orwell? Devon. Okay, cool. Look at this view. So this is the River Devon down here, which runs out all the way up to Felixstowe where the cranes are. What a nice view. Okay, so this opens on Sundays, 10 AM till 4 PM. Oh yeah, it says here, church cottages were demolished in the 60s. Oh, that's like a map of all the graves as well. Look, it's got all the people buried here on this board as well. there you go, that's a look inside. Doesn't look, it looks very old in there. Very old. Let's go and have a look at some of the graves. Basically, if you're really small, like, you'll be able to fit through there. I can't, but look how small that door is. It's like a door for 4 foot people.
That was the average size back then, wasn't it?
Was it?
Well, people were a lot shorter back then than they are now.
Oh, so that's why the doors are smaller. I never knew that. I actually never knew that. That's pretty cool. So, book of knowledge over there. That one. The one in the white top told me this. I'm joking, it was Sam. Apparently this church was made out of flint and brick, and reports are that it comes from, the flint and brick came from Thetford. Was it? Not... Okay, so maybe not this one in general, but flint and brick which were made for churches around East Anglia and Norfolk probably were from Thetford, which isn't far from us, from where I live. It's like 40 minutes from where I live roughly. So we're going to have a look at the little stained glasses. Got some here. And now Sam said there isn't many graves on this side, and that's because, there you go. Sam said there's not many graves on this side, and that's because they have buried most of the people on the sea view or the river view because it looks a lot nicer. And I understand that, because I would rather have my relative buried somewhere with a nice view, you know? It's nice to go and visit them. I love these doors though, these archways. Like, look at it. I know it's not abandoned, but I love doing churches because they're so interesting to look at and they're very pretty.